Good morning, students. Today let's start with a new topic, which is tenses. Now you have already read about tenses in standard 6, 7 and 8. So we'll just recapture the chapter and so that you get a revision for this chapter. Now what is a tense? Tense is any form of the verb which may be used to show the time of an action and the state of an action or an event. The tense of a verb shows the time when an action takes place. Now, as we know, there are three main tenses in English, which are the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Now let's take one sentence and see its form in all the three tenses. Mr. Kapoor teaches us English. Now this sentence itself is in present tense. Now let's see its form in the past tense. In past tense it becomes Mr. Kapoor taught us English. And in future tense it becomes Mr. Kapoor will teach us English. Now these three main tenses can be further divided into four subcategories, which are indefinite or simple, second is continuous, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous. So in present tense it becomes present indefinite or present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In past tense we have past indefinite or simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And in future tense we have future indefinite or simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now let's take one sentence and see its form in all of these subcategories of the three main tenses. So the sentence is I eat. Now this sentence is in simple present tense. We have a subject and the first form of the verb. Now in present continuous it becomes I am eating, means we add subject and we have is, am or are as the helping verb, and we have the main verb in ing form, which is I am eating. In present perfect we have I have eaten, means there is subject, there is have, or we can also have has, and there is V3 form of the verb. Here it is eaten. In present perfect continuous it is I have been eating, means we have subject, we have has or have plus been plus the ing form of the verb. Now in past tense it becomes I ate, means subject plus the V2, means verb 2 form. Eat becomes ate. In past continuous it's I was eating, means the subject plus was or were plus the ing form of the verb. In past perfect, it becomes I had eaten, means subject plus had plus the V3 form of the verb. So eat becomes eaten. And in past perfect continuous, we have I had been eating, means subject plus had plus been plus ing form of the verb, which is eating here. I had been eating. Now in future tense, it becomes I will eat, means subject plus will or shall plus the verb V1 form. Now in future continuous, it becomes I will be eating, means the subject plus will or shall plus BEB plus the ing form of the verb, which becomes I will be eating. Now future perfect, I will have eaten, means the subject plus will or shall plus have plus the V3 form of the verb. So it becomes I will have eaten. Now the last one, future perfect continuous. I will have been eating, means we have the subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus the ing form of the verb. So it becomes I will have been eating. So I hope students you have understood and revised tenses now. So see you in the next one. Until then, take care.